In the heart of the Golden Gate Highlands National Park lies a site meant to bring ancient history to life, the Science Park Dinosaur Interpretation Centre. Commissioned in 2019, this ambitious 100 million rand project was set to be completed by March 2020. But due to poor contractor performance, the centre now stands incomplete, hidden in Clarence in the Free State, an unfinished dream shrouded in silence.
There had to be something like that. You can see it was made to be like this.
Really?
It's got a polystyrene cover around the side and a black covers coming out from the side. So they made this to blend in with the whole environment.
Cool.
The same stuff on the top of it, like this black cover on the side. It's a pity there's no doors that's open.
Yeah, but the alarm panel shows the alarm's on.
I think you're gonna have cold weather tonight. Look at this.
He's very welcome. He's very welcome.
Yeah. So if you could take this place, build it into a house, you can have that Iron Man view.
Yeah. Yeah, I wonder what building it was. There's no signboards or anything.
Nothing.
And really, really easy. Like, something you just left to decay.
Massive black windows. But there's nothing inside, it's just empty. What do you see?
Some movements. Actually, a friction of movement in the window, and then that's just a contraband under the, what they call this, walkway.
Oh, okay. I like this wood deck this walkway. Give this a proper treatment.
It would look really nice, eh?
Huh?
Especially like a dark wood finish.
Yes.
It's not in a very good condition, eh?
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. It just needs some treatment. You hear the water, eh?
What's also nice about this area is like there's all these little hidden water.
I
don't know, waterways.
Yeah. Little streams.
Little streams.
Yeah.
Let's check out the dinosaurs.
I want to go check out the dinosaurs.
Looking at a kids' play area that's just completely worn down. It was sad. Kids used to play, whatever this was, it was a happy place.
I kind of get that end of world feel.
There's like a
Apocalypse.
vibe here. There's definitely like a little, I wouldn't say eerie. Eerie is not the right word.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah.
And it definitely was a play area. I don't know if this wasn't some kind of a school attraction. I don't know.
Yeah, let's go look at these dinosaurs.
I don't know what you call this thing.
I don't know either.
Like a mini triceratops thing.
Wow, even the detail of the teeth, that's pretty cool.
Pocket. I think it's like a triceratops thing, I don't know.
Yeah, look, probably the movie, we only know the name, T-Rex.
Yeah.
Brontosaurus.
That's a velociraptor, yeah. That's cool. But it looked like they started developing the place and they just left it.
No, or it was fully fledged.
I'll go check that side as well. Maybe there's something open there. Do you think it was in use and they just left it?
I don't know. There was a lot of thought put into the layout, like going up here because there's something. I think it's like a theatre.
Go stand next to it. It's huge.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
that's crazy.
it's insanely big.
Wow.
A lot of detail, eh?
Like even the foot, like the length of my arm. Well, the whatever claw.
Yeah. It's built well in.
Very, very nicely done.
Oh, there's other people also coming in. We set a new trend in the park.
They could do it so good.
Do whatever you want
The
to.
clouds coming over.
Yeah. I want to walk up this walkway and see what's there. But this really gives you an idea like a Jurassic Park after. Let's put this water away. See if I can find something on the internet about this place.
It's just like a board or something. Maybe it's like a gate that we avoided. No, they're going to
Maybe.
be the same electronic.
No, just want to see. Maybe we're lucky. You never know. It's a very modern building.
Open window.
Where?
That open window is that built like that? No, this is built like this. There's lights on. Or maybe that's natural light.
Yes, but this is a thick piece of glass.
This is a theatre. You pay
Mm.
and you go in. Someone looking after this one in the sense of not having any trespasses.
I think you're right. This is some kind of a theatre and they're still powering here. See, there's an emergency escape. There's no entrance. Damn it.
I was wondering how much you would push that. Yeah.
You know me. I mean, there's a fully functioning generator here. It looks like there's one there. I really want to keep the people out here. I would love to see what it looks like on the inside. Here's what it is. What the actual? We cannot get in yet. You can see the last of the dinosaurs and we can go and have coffee. Yeah, we can put it in our video. Part of our explorations. Even though we only saw the outside of it.
Only the outside. And the rooftop. We've got some of that in there as well. But I mean, I don't think anyone can tell you on the roof. It just looks like grass.
Looks like grass. But it was made to be like that. Sure. Going through here. It's like a little... Oh, then the sun comes out.
What is this thing? Look at the detail on the teeth as well. There's like spiders in there.
This thing's cool.
Yeah.
Huh?
There's a something.
There's a lot of people coming in here now. We started something new here. This is like a fat little T-Rex. Yes, but this thing is massive. Is it a butt?
Yeah, look at the way the teeth are pointing.
Yeah.
You know what this makes me think of? The Trojan horse.
It does.
Or, because it was also like a torture device. Like,
Oh yeah.
they put people in, close
That
them
bull thing, and they cook it from underneath. So I wonder if the head just broke off or somebody broke it off. Because the head's like here.
Yeah. It'd be a pity if people just vandalized it, eh?
You know people. Okay, cool.
Very cool.
Now we know.
Where are they all coming in? Through that gate?
Climbing over that fence there. They were still busy with stuff here. This is all like polystyrene, that foam.
Are these crates sealed?
Still sealed.
Yeah, it's still sealed. There's still stuff in these crates.
I wonder what's inside. It'll be interesting. But check out this. It's all plastic plants.
Maybe you're right. Maybe they were still busy.
They were still busy setting this place up. Because why will you have crates of... Yes, that's just weird. He's just checking me out there. So I wonder what is inside this. There's still stuff inside. Plastic dinosaurs and...
No ways. Probably like toys to be sold.
like pterodactyls and...
You must just close it up nicely again. Yeah, we'll just put it back.
Hey, we're still busy with this place. For some reason it was just left. So it might be that this hasn't been completed yet.
Think you might be right?
Like this. You know what?
Bicycle.
It's big for bicycles.
Yeah.
I get the feeling they started this place and just never finished. Yeah. This would have been some kind of a theatre, school attraction, because there's a playground area.
There's lots of stuff for kids.
Yeah.
And curios for like selling in a shop or something.
I'm gonna see if I can find something on the internet about this place.
What a gem though. What it like? It's like a gem in the middle of
nowhere.